Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So students, let's count number 15. Hi, I am number 15. 1 comes first and then 5 comes next. 1 10 and 5 ones make 15. Now let's count the birds. Count and say aloud 15 birds. Now let's have a little activity. Join the ones with 5s to make 15. Now trace number 15. So students, keep learning and keep growing. See you soon.